Ever pondered the possibility of crafting a stunning website, all without the need to understand a single line of code? Well, the future is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Introducing the world's premier application that turns this dream into reality, harnessing the power of cutting-edge artificial intelligence, and it's called GPT and Bard. GPT and Bard is not just another tool, it's a game changer. It's the result of tireless innovation and the relentless pursuit of making web development a piece of cake for everyone. This is an application that takes your ideas and transforms them into a website that is not only visually appealing, but also functional and user-friendly. The magic behind this revolutionary application lies in its advanced AI capabilities. It's like having a professional web developer at your fingertips, ready to bring your vision to life. You simply tell the application what you want, and it does the rest. It's that simple. No coding, no confusion, just pure creation. GPT and Bard is not only powerful but also incredibly easy to use. Its intuitive interface makes the process of creating your website an absolute breeze. From the layout to the color scheme, every aspect of your website is fully customizable, allowing you to create a unique online presence tailored to your brand. But the benefits of GPT and Bard don't stop at website creation. It also offers a host of features designed to help your website thrive in the digital world. From SEO optimization tools to social media integration, this application has got you covered. In a world where online presence is key, having a professional-looking website can make all the difference. And with GPT and Bard, creating one has never been easier. It's time to put the power of AI to work and take your online presence to new heights. Remember, the future of web development is here, and it's waiting for you. The link is in the description box, ready to take you on a journey of seamless, effortless, and enjoyable web creation. Don't miss the chance to be a part of this revolution. Experience the power of AI, experience the ease of creation, experience GPT and Bard.